Guys, you guys are welcome to my channel. This is Ninja First Lady TV. So today I'm gonna be reviewing a product. This product is a very nice product and it's what I have used and I gave it 100%. Like, I confirmed it. It's really nice on the skin. So I'm gonna be showing you all the product and the 5 top benefits of this product and how to use this product and when and how to use it. So let's go straight. This is the product I'll be talking about, and the name of this product is Carebeau, and is a salt scrub. Yeah, we have different type of scrub. We have the one with apricot and sugar scrub, but this one is a salt scrub. And most people don't know the benefit of salt scrub. That's why a lot of people don't use it. When you talk about salt scrub, they'll just feel, what is salt scrub? Why will I be using salt on my skin? Why can't I use apricot or sugar? No, all scrub has their own benefits. So I'm going to be introducing to you the 5 top benefits of this salt scrub. You can use it regularly on your skin. So the first benefit of this salt scrub is for skin glow. Yeah, you may be wondering, why will I use salt on my skin? How can salt glow someone's skin? Yeah, salt can really glow your skin. And you guys will be wondering, how can salt tightens the body? Yes, it does. It removes excess fat, like excess fat from your skin. That is what sugar scrub cannot do. And that is what apricot scrub cannot do. Now you see the reason why I say salt scrub is really strong and effective. And don't be scared. You may be thinking salt scrub may affect or damage your skin because it contains salt. It contains salt and oil. So that oil is going to bring down the strong power of that salt. And you don't just use any salt. You use sea salt. Not just any salt. Sea salt that contains magnesium and sulfate. Those are the salts that is used for skin, not the regular type of cooking salt. So that is why this is more effective for skin glow, and it removes excess fat, and it also tightens skin like a form of, it's an anti-aging scrub too. Yeah, when it tightens skin, that means it's an anti-aging scrub. So when you remove those excess fats, you start seeing that it starts to tighten your skin. So let's jump straight into the number 2 benefit of this salt scrub. Number 2 benefit is body salt scrub is a great way to exfoliate dead skin cells, like those dead skin cells on your body, on your skin. So it's a very good way to exfoliate those dead skin cells and regenerate and leaves it feel fabulous, soft, smooth, and so cool. This is so wonderful product. I hope you can see this. It's so wonderful. Though they have different types of this salt scrub, they have different types. So this one I got is carrot sea salt scrub. This is carrot. They have papaya, they have turmeric, they have all that orange. So it's left for you, but this is what I know and this is what I have used and this is what I have tried. That's why I'm telling you all my experience about this salt scrub. So let's jump straight to number 3 benefits of this scrub. So the number 3 benefit of this salt scrub is when you use it, you encourage the natural flow of circulation and bodily fluid. Yeah, in circulation, in women, is good for a monthly flow. When you use this salt scrub, it makes you feel relaxed. It makes your skin, your body feel relaxed, and you have this natural flow, not only for women, even for everyone. When you use salt scrub, you have this natural flow and circulation of your body fluid, like your blood starts to pump well and flow well and all that. Because I think this dead skin cell can also block your fluid from flowing well, from circulating well in the body. But when you use good salt scrub like this, it's going to make you feel like have this natural circulation of flow in your body. So that is the number 3 benefit of this scrub. So let's jump straight into the number 4 benefit. So the number 4 benefit of this scrub is the most important benefit to everyone, even to me. It's just, trust me, this is what you would like to hear about this scrub. It improves the look of aging and also dimpled skin, like dimpled skin and cellulite. It improves it a lot. It fades that dimpled skin, those cellulite on your skin. So it fades it a lot. So let's jump straight into the number 5 benefit of this scrub. The last benefit, which is the number 5 of the scrub, is treating yourself with salt scrub is just the perfect thing to do to your skin. It's the best thing you can ever give to your skin. Treating yourself with a salt scrub. Guys, you heard everything I said about this scrub. It increases flow circulation in the body, and it also removes excess fats. It also helps the skin from aging and removes cellulite. You understand, those dimples on your skin, it removes it, and it removes cellulite. The oil you can use in mixing this magnesium salt and sulfate salt is, you can use lavender oil. Lavender oil is good. It will reduce the strong power of the salt so that it won't affect your skin. So you can actually do it at home. If you don't have the strength to go to the supermarket to get this, you can actually do it at home. Buy a sea salt that contains magnesium sulfate. Please, a sea salt that contains magnesium sulfate. Mix it together with lavender oil. That's the one I know, lavender oil. I don't know of any other essential oil, but lavender oil is what I know you can mix this salt with. So when you mix it together, it's good to go. You can use it on your skin. It has a lot of mineral, so you can use it. Then the dosage for this salt is, you can use it daily, you can use it weekly. It all depends on you. If your skin is a sensitive skin, like you always react, your skin is always reacting to things, to products, well, I will advise you to use it weekly. But if your skin is a very strong skin, okay, I will advise you to use it daily. And if you need a quick result from this salt, I will still advise you to use it daily for you to get quick results. You can use it daily. But if you need quick results and you're using it weekly, sorry, you can't get it quick. So you have to increase the pace. Use it daily to get a fast result. So the direction for using the salt is, first of all, before you use this salt, you know the salt is strong, unlike sugar. So before you use this salt scrub, you have to wet your body with water, wet your palm as well, then apply some salt scrub on your palm, rub it together, and start to apply it on your body. You can't just apply this salt directly to your body without wetting your body first, because it's going to hurt you when you scrub your body. Salt is really strong. It doesn't dissolve quickly, unlike sugar. So salt, in fact, salt doesn't dissolve in oil. So I will advise you to wet your body first before applying this salt scrub on your body. Use it to massage it very well. Massage your body very well with the scrub for you to get a good result. At first, when I used this scrub, I felt some itchiness on my body, and my whole body was itching me. So I was scratching my body seriously because I didn't know why it was itching me. I was thinking maybe the stuff is bad or maybe it's expired. So I asked my sister, I told my sister, look at what I'm feeling. Julia's beauty in her style. So I told her what I was feeling, and she said I should calm down, that it's normal. That's the first stage of using the salt. And she said the reason why I'm feeling that itching is because my skin was blocked with dead cells. So when your skin is blocked with dead cells, that is what you feel when you use this scrub for the very first time. That is what you're going to feel. You're going to feel some itching on your body. You start scratching your body like a mad person. No, it's normal. There's no cause for alarm. It's very, very normal. So guys, that is all for my video today. I hope you enjoyed this video, and please don't forget to click on the subscribe button and also give a massive like to this video and share this video to your friends. And also, if you don't know anything about this salt, please drop your comment below, and I will definitely give an answer to your question. So till I come your way next time, bye.